Hey everyone, and welcome back to Big B Gaming. We are playing some Risk today. Let's see what we've got for a map. I did join the random lobby here. We are doing Classic here on World Dom, 60 seconds timers. AI is hard. We do have one out of the box. I am up first. I better think about what I'm doing here. Alliances are on. Awesome. Go that route. All right. So let's get back to what we were saying. We are classic, world dom, hard AI, fixed, balanced blitz. Blizzards are on, alliances are on. Awesome. So yellow is getting out of the old Europe and moving into the Africa position. Where does white go? Black is our bot. So we are a 4-player game with one AI. So we have Eb Chow as an opponent. We got Franklin Steele, our bot, and then we've got A2. So we'll see what we've got here. White is going to bot out right away. That's what it looks like here. So we will be down to a 3-player game. Myself, Eb, and A2. Alright. So that's not great that I chose to put behind the 5. I was hoping that they would move out. It is what it is. Alright. Where does green go? Does green double down in Australia? Yep. Wow, okay. Green is definitely a novice. 3v3, you gonna fail it? Do I go for Australia as well? I think I lose this 7. I think I just do that. We are on fixed cards, so all we need is a cavalry. Did white come back? No, white has not come back yet. My 2 or the 5? The 5. Okay, cool. Let's see what green does this turn. If green goes up into black, that would be nice. We'll accept and give him a thumbs up. What way does green go? Okay. Perfect. We'll just do that. See if green breaks me next time. Give him a thumbs up. Kind of fairly well spread out. I'm technically in 5 positions. I'd like to get into 3. Have one here. Hit that 3. Be priceless if you hit that 3. So white is definitely going after green, which is awesome. Alright. The bots are fighting each other, which is nice. I have a kill line on white. Which would definitely have a kill line on white now. And I think I take it. I really do. Just do that. That there. Make that an 11. Put that. There we go. So I've got 2 7s and my bonus. Really have a kill line on green as well if I wanted. I've got access to all of his troops. Bordering at least all of his troops. There goes majority of green. Okay. You move your 6. You don't move your 6. Okay. I have another, yeah, I'm not doing that set. going to put him in one position. Put him on the other side of the map from me. Please, yellow, break him. Thank you. Honestly, you can leave it there. Perfect. I will be in 2 positions here shortly. Ooh, that 8 hits that 7. I think that 8, oh no, that 7 hits my 1. Perfect. That 8 did hit that 7. Wow. I have... Okay. Let's give yellow that. Or kill black, okay? Perfect. Doesn't give you the trade though. Fortify back 1. Oh no, you go big stack towards the attack here. Yep, and buries his stack. You don't bury it, okay? We'll go like this. I have to. We'll do that. Nope. Feed me the green kill. Alright. Was very bad of yellow. So, sorry about that extra noise. that. We'll just go up there. You aren't going to be able to break me. Yep, you can break my 5, but you won't break my other. So, both of them have to go into me. I do have a big trade on 4. If he doesn't kill yellow, I would laugh. Alright. So he gets the double trade. 20 troops, so he should be able to break me. He has me at this point. Attack one more. Then hit that 11 and fail it. Aw, he got a good roll. Alright. Let's go Ontario. Alright, hopefully he doesn't get a big trade. Smart move, doesn't open my 6 stack. Does he fortify all the way back? Or does he actually fortify out? No, he doesn't. Okay. Let's see, do I have a trade? No, I don't. So he takes me out of that pocket there. It's going to be a long, drawn out little 1-by-1 here. He's got me. I did mess up on yellow down here. Be wise for him to put his stack out. Yep. So I should have went up and around and broke it, but it is what it is. It was a good game. I want to go good game. he's got me. He may fail that 3-on-1. Did he bot out? Perfect dice, wow. And he gave me the +2. Let's do that. Do that. We'll do that. With some bad rolls, I might be able to win, but I'm in a losing battle at this point. It was a good game. Oh, he messed up. You had me killed. Our alliance is over. Really? So we'll see what their ranks were here. I lost that due to bad pathing because I did not kill yellow down here. All three were beginners, even though white bought it out right away. Well, thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day.